So let's go to the functioning of a mask. See, these look very fashionable. You don't feel like boring to put the mask with this kind of a design. And it has, this has also got the 2 layers. The scarf has got the 2 layers, and it covers your chin, and up to your, like, you know, upper part of the chest till there. And this is the one which covers the mouth and the nose. Now this unfolds. So when it unfolds, it makes up for most of your, the area to be covered properly. And it has got this 2-layered fabric in front, 2-layered fabric behind, and there is a pocket, small pocket inside. This is for N95. It is small because then the filter stays in place and you get full protection. So like, you just fold the filter and put it in this pocket, okay? Then just straighten it. Just straighten it, and then stretch from this side. There is a place to stretch from this side. And see, now it's gone inside and it is fixed. It's not going to move. Right? It has got this adjustable elastic as usual. Also get an optional headband if required. And has got these pockets. So this is for the digital microphone, and this is for iCard or something important that, you're not going to make it unsterile. Some people use it for credit card, but I would advise not, because then credit card is sometimes not very sterile. Depends how you make the use. So this is a scarf mask.